boiling some water. Get ready to put some eggs in them in this water and boil some eggs till they get good and hard and crack the shell and chop them up and put them in some salad. Water getting good and hot. Man, heat coming from that water. Ooh. Look at all the smoke coming from it. The tail is hot. They ain't all the way boiling yet. Still got like about a good 3-4 minutes before it really start getting good and hot.